Shut up and sit down.
Hello again, gang. What have we got this time? We have got Revell, level 3, 1/16 scale, SWAT officer, kit number 02805. 52 of Revell's finest parts to create one 10.2 centimetre tall figure. As you can see, he's looking pretty mean and moody there with all these gubbins on. We'll shove the box down and have a little looky-loo at the distractions that come with him. Oh, it's a weird way of folding them. Obviously they're doing something new now. Let's figure this out because I know what's going to happen. I'm going to knock the decals somewhere, but it's probably not going to be where they should end up. There you go. Just make sure that I haven't lost them. They're around somewhere anyway. So what have we got? Usual super glossy Revell, there they are. Instructions, some how-tos, symbols that you'll see through the instructions as you build, some paint call-outs, sprue diagrams that let you know what goes where. Not a very complex build, it's literally head, arms, legs, glue it together, slap the gun in his hands and paint the rooney until you're happy. And there's all the paint call outs. So if you're a figure painter like me, you're going to have a bit of fun with this, and you've got some options what he stands on, bit of brickwork, etc, etc. Okay, so you're going to have you a bit of that. What have we got decals wise? Basically two decals saying SWAT. So yeah, all out on that one, Revell. So that's the distractions. Horrible crinkly paper, apologies. Got his helmet there, or various helmets that you can have him with. These boots, his torso, his groin area and his legs and his arms, and then the plinth that he stands on. So not a lot of pieces. At the end of the day it's 52 bits, but if you're a figure painter, that's where it comes in, because you can really sort of get some nice tones on the uniform and some dry brushing and things like that to accentuate any detail, and some metal work and leather. So for me, it's not actually the complexity of the build that is key for me here. It is getting the figure made so that I can then hone my figure painting skills on the figure. So that's what I'm looking at him for. See, you got him looking rather surprised there. He looks like he's just either let out a lady puff or lost a winning lottery ticket. I'll leave it to you guys to decide which one, but he's got that, yeah, look on his face, so we'll change that a little bit. But all in all, I'm liking that. So this was a gift from a friend. I won't name him, but he knows who he is, and he knows how grateful I am. So props to you, buddy. Yeah, so that is the Revell level 3 1/16 scale SWAT officer 02805, and I've just had a fault, you know. He's the same scale as my Volkswagen bus. Yeah, Volkswagen bus SWAT vehicle. Answers on a postcard. Thank you for watching. Bye bye for now.